Coming up.
Big box, or like a big bag, right? I actually gave up on ever having this handbag in my collection. Without further ado, let me just share with you guys the greatness. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie, and on this channel we talk about all things luxury handbags, neutrals, and elevated style. Now in today's video, I have a very exciting surprise unboxing, and yes, this is from Phoebe Philo. You guys, I was not prepared for this one. This is an epic level unboxing, so let's get into it. Okay guys, so this bag unboxing was completely not on my radar. I actually gave up on ever having this handbag in my collection because at the time that Phoebe Philo launched this handbag, I was onto some other handbag, didn't have the funds for it. Whatever the case, I was like, that is a seasonal bag that I probably will never see again. So I just pretty much put it on the back burner. It's one of those bags that I would say would be on my unicorn, holy grail type of handbag list. Well, I will tell you, thanks to the Real, it just popped up one day as I was just browsing at bags, probably doing some YouTube research, and so happened this bag came up. And of course, in true handbag collector fashion, when you come across some of these handbags, it's like a surreal moment. I'm like looking around, is anybody else see this amazingness that I am seeing on the screen? So of course I have to, it's those situations I have to check out, because if anybody else comes across it, my one chance is gone. And who knows if I would ever see this bag again. So of course I checked out, and this bag, it went through, it showed them up to my house. I did the authentication with Real authentication, which I highly recommend, and I'll have linked for y'all below. But this bag, it's epic level. And it certainly is a bag that I'm excited to have because I think it's perfect, especially in the back half of the year, the colder months here in Chicago. I'm just elated. There's really not words for the fact that this was, again, a bag that was not going to be in the collection at all because I gave up on it. Just never thought. But without further ado, I know y'all are like, let's just get to it, Jamie. But I did want to show you, it's a big box, as you guys seen. Just part of the experience because I think it's interesting. Big box, or like a big bag, right? All that minimal black and white box. I was actually pretty amazed to get the box because, you know, with these pre-sale sites, you just don't know what you're gonna get. The paper, look at that. I think that's great. And now we're getting to it. Here you guys, this is the dust bag. I'm just loving all parts of it. So yes, of course, I've already seen this bag. I've unboxed it, make sure it was legit, and as well as done the authentication. But without further ado, let me just share with you guys the greatness. I can't believe it. I'm just in awe. This is completely amazing. I'm really at a loss for words with this bag. The pony hair, beautiful bag. Look at this. Now this was part of Phoebe Philo's, part of the first collection mix. I feel like my friends Layla, Sophia, and Mary are probably gasping when they're seeing this bag, just as much as like I was when I saw it on the pre-sale sites. But this beauty, I'm in awe in every way. I think it's so great when these bags that I never dreamed, I just gave up on this. It's so sad, but I want to say I gave up on having this bag in my collection because it was seasonal. But oh my, like if you were to have a pony hair bag, this is the one. And I feel so lucky and so thankful that I had it. It's in excellent condition. Now the price, you guys are probably wondering, you know, if it was on pre-sale, what did I pay for it? $3,200 is what the listing came out to be. And I believe the original was around $4,300, but to me, it was totally worth it. Because again, I missed my shot when this bag originally came around. And if you recall, when that first collection launch from Phoebe Philo, a couple influencers had this bag, and it was beautiful. I mean, granted, I think there was a lot of commotion over what her launch would look like and those items. And certainly the handbags were very expensive, but this one was a bag that, out of all the bags that she offered, this was the dream bag. So excited to have this one. I'll just share with you guys too, just so you can see the inside as well. It's pretty open here, and that says Phoebe Philo at the very bottom. And I love these leather details here. It's got the zipper pocket on the inside, and it's just like that button closure at the top there. Now, I can fit a laptop. Indeed, let me go grab one so you can see, in case you're wondering, like I was myself. Okay, laptop here. Okay, it does fit. I think if you're like trying to have your laptop stand upright, you have a little bit of the edge of my 15-inch laptop poking out on the front, but it does indeed fit, especially from the width. Most likely I won't use this as a work bag because I'll use other bags for that. To me, this is just a great handbag for the fall. Isn't this beautiful? Let me show y'all a little bit of an up close. And the sides, like I said, it was in excellent condition on the listing, and I'm just in awe in every way. I think it's beautiful condition, honestly. It's so chic, and I think you could wear this out. It looked great for like those casual kind of chic type of outfits. Again, I'm so blown away that I have this in my collection, and I certainly love myself a good brown bag. And this is my first pony hair type of handbag. And I was thinking about perhaps adding like a leopard, some type of animal print, or with a pony. I think this is like amazing. Having this material in my collection just makes it oh so good. But you guys, what do you guys think? Are you surprised? I'm surprised. I think this is so good, so amazing, and I just feel so thankful to have this one. Certainly, this is just, like I said, it's like a dream bag. It's one of those on the list for me. I think there's these ultimate unicorn bags, and this was one because I just gave up on it. I know, it's so sad, right? Let me know what you guys think. I am so excited, but this is so breathtaking. Thank you guys for sharing in my joy. This is totally unexpected. I love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. This will probably be my only Phoebe Philo bag because I just think this is so interesting with the pony hair and her other bags. I'm really good with my Celine and Phoebe Philo just collection there, but this is certainly the one to add, and I just feel this is everything. Okay guys, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all in my next video. Take care.